Well, hello guys, welcome back to the Bench of Gilly here. Got a nice little treat for you in case you're ever in a mojo slump like I was a little while back. Sorry about my voice, I'm actually fighting a vicious cold right now and I'm slowly getting over it. Anyways, so let's get to the show. And saw a buddy of mine do this on a video stream we did quite a while back. His name is Todd from Marble Phoenix. He does a lot of part works. You can catch him on Hobby Time Models. And he did one of these on the streams. This is a 3D puzzle of the Flying Dutchman. Some of you guys know this ship off of the movie Pirates of the Caribbean. You see it's kind of glowing in there, and it is LEDs in this one. As you can see, there's LED, 360 pieces, rated for 10 and up. As I was watching Todd do his, I was like so amazed I couldn't even do any of my work on the stream. It's pretty cool how these things go together. Get you a little picture there of instruction time, no scissors, no glue. It's kind of like a complexity of number 8, 1 to 10 I'm guessing. Yep, so if you're ever in a little slump and need something quick to do, pass the time, here is a 3D puzzle. I already done one up for you guys. I did myself the SAN FELIPE. Nice little colorful ship. 1 to 1/10 scale. Sorry about the glare. They got a few ships in there and they do lots of other stuff. I'm just sticking with the ships because I like my pirate ships. So anyways, now that we got there, let's move you over to the finished kit. Okay guys, here we are. Sorry about that, I lost some video. So I'm going to do another quick little one here just so you guys see the finished kit and how high it is. Zoom you in here from the side. There's some little nice light bolts. Couple cannons back there. Couple of anchors. There's the front. Scoot along the side here. Sorry about the poor lighting on this spot. But yeah, there she is. SAN FELIPE. All done. Up you'll see a slideshow of me putting it together and how this 3D puzzle works. So hope you enjoyed the slideshow. And again, thank you guys for watching.